Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cash App Bitcoin security step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account using your email or phone number. Enter your password to access your account. Once on the home screen, locate the Bitcoin tab. Tap on the Bitcoin icon to proceed. Select Buy to start the authentication process. If prompted, verify your identity using your established security methods. This may include fingerprint recognition or Face ID, depending on your device. Once verified, you will reach the Bitcoin purchase screen. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm the purchase by tapping on Confirm. If you have set up two-factor authentication, check your email or SMS for the code. Enter the code into the designated field in the app. Tap Submit to finalize your transaction. After the purchase, return to the Bitcoin tab to view your holdings. To ensure your account remains secure, regularly update your password. Enable notifications to stay informed about your transaction activities. Consider reviewing your security settings periodically for enhanced protection. Always log out of your account after each session. Follow these steps to ensure secure transactions with Bitcoin on Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.